Shadaloo may have reached the turning point. The capital has just fallen.
Defeating the heavily armed forces of General M.
Pandemonium. 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 Pandemonium.
See now, catch a vision. View me in the eyes of an equal. High above the plains, but still remains equal. Living out no matter how fly, there is no sequel. I am not a supreme being, freeing people. Cause many minds are zombified, that's why they never rest. Fighting for the lightning, biting holes in the chest. Merely scavengers, but no one will confess. But in time, they will all undress. Living in the lost and found, trapped without stash. Dapping as a pound, mean this way underground. No calculating, cause it's all round. Round like a figure, an old school calligraphy. So figure that you don't wanna see. Far greater than the eye, so you can fly kindly. Used to have a tax on T, now they got a tax on me, but that's if you can find me. We'll be tripping with the scenes of the pandemonium. He been causing more calamity to me than Amity. Feel horror, real horror, way more wicked than Gomorrah or Sodom. I should've shot him, but I didn't right then. To me, my man hit it. Just because I'm in it, reason why they hit me with a rotten label and use trickery to put my cards up on the table so they can copy, but they're unable. They come sloppy, ill-equipped to grip the sacred cable, stretching out that age-old fable. How they're not really my friends. They can't wait to infiltrate and get me for my ends. Since then, trends been in everything I do. The devil tries to throw his wicked wrench into with his henchmen crew. Main reason why I resist whack, gotta let them know they couldn't rap me with aluminum when I'm causing pandemonium.
Tell me what's wrong with this picture. What? How long will it take before it hits ya? And you begin to understand the dirty, underhanded plan to place pandemonium upon the land. Face to face with the faces of death on the daily basis. To the point we embrace this. What? Demonic debauchery, negatively affecting the psyche. That's why we like to see some type of monster chasing, erasing people from the face of the earth like Jason. When that was just a movie merely illustrating the illy type of shit that they really got waiting. And I can't be condoning them. What? Sick minds perpetuating pandemonium.
Mirror man and two handicapped to adapt on my terrain. They remain in the same frame of thought, and they only thought half I laughed at their foolish attempt to pin my technique. So I set a new mark, transforming my style to reconcile with the present. Peasant, meaning unpleasant digits, like finishes on my trail. You will fail in hell, the young male who prevail when all hell breaks. I hate fakes, worse I hate fakes. Men get persecuted for making mistakes. I stay low like a sheet of linoleum when it comes to pandemonium.